Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss about ES6 and other features as a filtering. Okay, that means right now I'm going to discuss about that filtering. Okay, filtering and array. So filtering an array means I want to do, but I want to show you the live example, then everything will be more clear. I take one of the variable as a numbers, okay, numbers, and here I want to declare one of the array, like as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I take one of the array. So that is all that our array value. I take the things with this variable. So from here I want to get all that our odd number. Okay, I want to get all that our odd number. If you want to get that even number, you can also get it. If you want to get this work, they have the two way. You can use that with the for of loop, rather than you can also use it with the filter. Okay, with the filter, that will be simple one line, just like as a map before. Rather than if you want to get that as a with the for, I will show both of this with you. I take one of the variable, I just name it as a only odd number. Okay, I make it as a odd numbers. And first of all, I want to take one of the empty array. Okay, so here I make it one of the empty array. So from to the array, that is all that our value, right? Here from here I want to get all that our odd number, and I will save this odd number in our this empty array area. Okay, so for the reasons here I take one of the empty array, and now I hope you already know that procedure. That will be as a for of loop, that means the for, and I take one of the variable as a number, and then that will be as a of which will be get our all the data from our which array. So I take all that our array with this variable as a number. Okay friend, I hope you already know about it. And now I want to put one of the condition. Here I want to put one of the if condition into the if area when our number will be odd. Okay, odd, I have already discussed about that things with you. Odd will be with the 2. Then I want to do the one which will be equal 1. Then I want to get all that number. Okay, right? So here I want to get it. That means that will be our only, because here we have to save it, right? We have to save all that our odd number. It will be check this condition. Now I want to save it in our this empty array area. So that is our only odd number. This number I want to push it. That will be push with this push method. I want to push it in our this empty array area. Okay, so here that will be save all that our conditional data, that is our name. Okay, so now I simply add it. So here I take that variable, that is our condition, and now in our only or odd number, into this odd number, that is an empty array, here I push all that our odd number which will be eligible for this condition. This all the data value data will be saved in here with the push method, right? So here I simply add it. And now if you want to check it, you can check it with the console log. There is a console log. Here I want to check our this only number. I have already pushed it. Now I want to check it. Which data, which array value data is save it in here. I want to check it. If you now click as a save all and now refresh it. Now you can see it's now successfully get our 3 of these data. That is a 1, 3, and then 5. That is our all that odd number, right? 1, 3, and then 5. And if you want to make it as an even number, like if you want to make it as a not equal 1, okay, I make it as a not. Then that will be get all that our even data, that means a 2, 4, and then 6, right? If you now click as a save all, now if you go click as a refresh, yeah, you can see it's now get that as a 2, 4, 6. Great. So that is the one process, right? So that is the one process, and now I want to do that work with using that filter method. How much easily we can do that work, I show you. Right now I want to make it as a comment out. Okay, I make it as a comment out. And now I want to take another variable as a constant. Sorry, that will be as a constant. That is a constant variable, and here I name it as the same name only. Better I want to name it as the same name as the only odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers will be our from where it will be get this data. That is our all that array that I take it with these numbers. So that will be as a numbers, and then I want to declare one of the filter method. Okay, so that is one of the filter fil. You can see that is a filter method. I want to declare our filter method, then one of the callback function, that is a callback function area. Here I pass on the parameter, I pass that number. Okay, I pass that as a number, and this number you can also use it one of the array function. Right now it's okay. I want to return. I want to return our which things. I want to return our condition. That means that is the same condition that I have done before. That will be the odd with the 2, and then equal 1. Okay, then equal 1. Then that will be display this data. So now if you print it, that is a console. Okay, console a log, and here I want to print that our this only odd number. Okay, so sorry, here that will be to the first bracket, so that is our odd number. I want to print it. Now let's check this out, what exactly the things that will be look like. That will be same message, click as a save all. That means this will be get all that our odd number. Click as a refresh. Here you can see it's now successfully get that as a 135. Right, friend? I hope you get this idea. You can do that work like that way, or rather than when you use that as a filter, with this filter you can do that work in one line. Perfect. In our next video, I'm going to discuss about another features as a reduce and array. How you can do that work, I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.